with all the fun we had today with just one book, think of all the fun in a whole library full of books.
Wow! I can't wait to get to the library.
And I can't wait either. I've got to go. But you'll always know where to find me. Remember, I'm in the book. Come on, you silly goose.
Goodbye. So long. Oh, bye. Oh, there she goes. Oh, boy.
Barney, I just love meeting your friends.
Oh, and I love all of you. I love you. You love me. We're a happy family with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too? I love you, you love me. We're best friends like friends should be, with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you.